Just a quick one. I have a trade ongoing anyway. Okay, so I wanted to actually start the recording before I started the trade. So I'm already 1 minute into the trade. I'm going to pause. I just want this to be 1 minute. So I'm going to pause, come back, and okay, so I've won the trade. Actually, I wanted to show you all this trade I did today. Okay, the idea behind them. Now, I think it's about six trades today. Okay, so I'm actually doing six trades to make $4. So I've made $4 with 3 points. Let's say $3.5. So it's more roughly like saying I'm making 100%. Okay, okay, I'm making 100%. Now, I need you to understand, I didn't just do, okay, for instance, like this one was before I slept. In fact, before I started working yesterday was this one. Okay, so the one I traded almost the same time when I woke up was, this was around 11. You can see then this one, I did this one before. I wanted to record it. I've forgotten, I've not pressed record. That's how come I did this extra 3. So I just decided, let me make 100% instead then. Normally, you are okay with just 2 to 3. 2 to 3 trades, you're good. But you see, sometimes people don't understand. It's while I'm trying to record and do all this coverage, I end up doing more trades than normal. The actual target is just 3 trades, 2-3 trades. If you will stick to the plan, you trade less, you will have less ministration unto you. Okay, before now I've made withdrawal. I need you to understand. Okay, sometimes what's it called? People don't understand. All right, until you have to. Okay, this one is report. Okay, this one is statement. 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 I do withdrawals. Just so that you understand, I've made my withdrawal today. Okay, look at this is today, 7th. This was yesterday. Yesterday, I think yesterday is Sunday, I withdraw twice. This was one, this was another one. It was Sunday. First one was, I think, very early in the morning, then I did another one late in the night. Now, these are withdrawals. Okay, this is, let's say this is, let's look at this month. Okay, this month. Today is just 7. So in 7 days, let's look at 7 days. So 7 days, this is 10. Let's say this is 28. 28 plus 32. Let's say that's about 60. 60 plus 24. That's about 84. Plus this, that's 125. 150. 1. This is 24. 24. This is 195. Okay, 195 plus 30, that's about $230. Okay, that's about $230 in 7 days. Now, it's small, it's slow, it's steady. It is not, I'm not in a rush. I'm not competing with anybody. I'm not competing with somebody who is making $100, $2,000, whatever. I'm not competing with nobody. I'm only competing with myself, trying to make better of my initial returns. So anybody can do this. It's easy if you would stay calm and not rush. Okay, you don't need more than 2 to 3 trades. You will be good. Okay, first you need to establish the process. Understand that you've mastered the process. Oh, you might little. If you grow it little, you are making it little. Soon you will be able to, if you are able to trade with $3, very soon, because you have made that $3 maybe like 4 times, 5 times, you can use $6 conveniently without stressing yourself, without even having any form of agitation. Okay, that's the best way. And then when you are trading, please, once you make profit, collect. I am growing my money. I am not growing it on this platform. I'm growing it in my pocket. I'm trading based on plan and projection, but I am growing it. It has always been my style. Go and find out. Go and watch all my videos. You will see sometimes I'll just deposit $10, $20, and I'll trade with what I deposit, make returns, collect my money. I don't want any administration that will start telling me, oh, I could get this, I could do that, and I will now start doing nonsense. And once I'm done with this video, I'm not going to open this thing to even check again till tomorrow. And the same way you see is robots. I have a robot that is trading. Have I checked it today? Okay, I've checked it today. Okay, this is the robot today. It has done trade. Okay, how much did he make? Look at what robot made. 59 cents. So somebody will say it's too small. Yes, to you it's too small, no problem. To make small money is better than making nothing. Okay, mind you, this robot has that already made like $3. It has experienced a loss, but it's still trading. He started with $10. He's still in profit of $1.55. He still have profit of $1.55. So I need you to understand: is it possible for you to do all these things and be profitable? Slow and steady. It depends on the mindset and how you see it. If you're seeing it wrongly, a lot of people come to Deriv trading, binary trading, options trading, the way I trade it, they come with the mindset of Forex. No. I'm saying this again. Please, it is not the same. You don't need big money to get started. You don't need all the money in the world to get started. First, learn the procedure, learn the process, master the process, test the process, try the process for weeks, for months, and then you can now start repeating it. This way, you will avoid losses. You will avoid stories that touch the heart. Your village people will not minister to you. The platform will not minister to you. You will not do wrong stuff because you have tested the waters. If you have $1,000 to trade with, test with $10. Start first with $10. If you are able to grow $10, you're good. Okay, guys? And then if you want to test it out, try it out. You can. My signal service is as low as 1,000 for a week. For 7 days, you can try it out and see how it is. Or you can go to my YouTube channel. You go to the accumulator, Deriv accumulator. You will see free training there. Test it. Test first. You see, when people say to me, oh, when I trade Deriv, I lose money. You lose money because you are a Montula. You know the here word. Even when they show you A, B, C, you decide to do X, Y, Z, where you don't know. And combine it with the ABC. If you will stick to the plan, trade the plan, follow the plan looks so simple that you will say, will it work? That's why it's the plan. It is the most simplest things that actually work, not the hard and tough thing. I trade people to trade accumulator, and I tell you, do not use martingale. Do your own. If you want to use martingale, you should know that is how you are going to be trading. And mind you, it means you are even risking more. When you're using martingale, you are risking more. So it is simple. Slow and steady wins the race. It's not, will there be losses? Yes, there will be losses. But you can recover. You will always end up being profitable. Now, the profit might now not be like, maybe you are targeting 4x, 5x, and you get 2, 3x. You are still profitable. It's a good deal. So God bless you, and I'll see you in another video. Like, subscribe, share to anybody who you know could benefit from this. See you.